Certainly. Here's some more information related to the content of Exploring the World of Data Science, Techniques, Applications, and Insights. 1. Techniques in Data Science. Data collection and preprocessing. Discuss the importance of collecting and cleaning data to ensure its quality and reliability. Exploratory data analysis. Explore techniques for understanding and summarizing data, including statistical measures, data visualization, and identifying patterns or outliers. Statistical analysis and hypothesis testing. Explain how statistical methods and hypothesis testing are used to draw insights and make inferences from data. Machine learning algorithms and models. Cover popular machine learning algorithms, such as regression, decision trees, random forests, and support vector machines, and discuss their applications. Deep learning and neural networks. Introduce deep learning concepts, including neural networks, convolutional neural networks, CNNs, and recurrent neural networks, RNNs, and their applications in image recognition, natural language processing, and more. Natural language processing. Discuss techniques for analyzing and processing human language, including sentiment analysis, text classification, and language generation. Data visualization and storytelling. Highlight the importance of visualizing data effectively to communicate insights and tell compelling stories. 2. Applications of data science. Predictive analytics and forecasting. Explore how data science is used to forecast future trends, make predictions, and support decision-making. Customer segmentation and personalized marketing. Discuss how data science helps businesses understand customer behavior and preferences to create targeted marketing strategies. Fraud detection and cybersecurity. Explain how data science techniques can identify fraudulent activities and enhance cybersecurity measures. Recommender systems. Highlight the use of data science in building personalized recommendation engines, such as those used by streaming platforms, e-commerce websites, and social media platforms. Healthcare analytics and precision medicine. Discuss the role of data science in analyzing medical data, improving patient outcomes, and facilitating precision medicine approaches. Sentiment analysis and social media mining. Explain how data science techniques can extract sentiment and insights from social media data to understand public opinion and trends. Supply chain optimization and demand forecasting. Explore how data science helps optimize supply chain operations, manage inventory, and forecast demand. 3. Insights from data science. Actionable insights. Emphasize the goal of data science to extract meaningful and actionable insights from data to drive decision-making and business outcomes. Data-driven decision-making. Discuss the importance of using data and evidence-based approaches to make informed decisions rather than relying solely on intuition or gut feelings. Ethical considerations. Address ethical considerations surrounding data science, including privacy, bias, fairness, and transparency. Challenges and limitations. Highlight challenges in data science, such as data quality issues, interpretability of models, and scalability of algorithms. Future trends. Discuss emerging trends and advancements in data science, such as explainable AI, automated machine learning, AutoML, and the integration of data science with other fields like blockchain, IoT, and edge computing. 4. Case studies and real-world examples. Showcase successful data science projects from various industries, such as finance, healthcare, retail, and transportation. Share real-world examples of how organizations have leveraged data science to solve complex problems, optimize processes, and drive innovation. Highlight lessons learned, best practices, and the impact of data science on organizations and society. Remember, the field of data science is vast and constantly evolving. This content provides a broad overview, but there are many specific techniques, applications, and insights within each area that can be explored in greater detail based on your interests and goals.